What up? So we're back in New York. First order of business is going to the post office. This is everyone's order from Patreon, a lot of the giveaway homies. I put some Hawaii plates on here that Slater gave me. Next, we have tires for the Midget. So these are 155 65 13s. I'm going to throw those on the black rims. Next, we got some stickers of the Blueberry Lemon. This is like a pixelated Game Boy style. And then this is me and Benny. Shout out to the homie Benny. Then we got some H4 LEDs. This is some style stuff. This is magnets for the door on the Mira. And then this is from the homie in Malaysia. This is an intake from my Mira. The hole for the dash. A lot of fun stuff. So we'll do an unboxing on this once I get back. As you saw in yesterday's video, the blue cappuccino is officially sold. So if anyone's looking for one in the Ohio area, hit up the homie Giovanni. And this guy, we still need to go back to Connecticut to finish off that door. I got the magnets. And then this, I honestly might just keep like this for now. At first, I wanted to put like an Anchor power bank in there. Let's say I needed power for like lights up there. Or if I wanted to charge my phone or utilize it for something. I didn't really care to put speakers there. I have a speaker there. And I have a speaker down there, and I feel like that's enough along with the sub. And this for now is my door. Again, I think that come springtime, I want to reevaluate this. The magnets are okay, but after I go over a bump, it completely just falls down. And then I would say probably the biggest issue left is really just those taillights. It's my fault. I'm not even going to speak more on it. It's just my fault. I need to figure out a solution. I know you guys have given me several solutions, and it's my fault for not taking them seriously and just ordering something. I just don't want to waste money and get something that doesn't work. I feel like, I don't even know. I don't even want to talk about that. Like, that actually really pisses me off. But yeah, Blueberry Lemon's here. Still looking dirty. I was going to say still looking nice, but damn, that needs a clean. And with the cappuccino gone, that leaves us with the Townbox and the Midget. The Townbox is for sale. At the bare minimum, I'm taking $7,000. So don't offer anything less. I think I'm going to post it for sale online. It's locked right now. I think I'm going to post it for sale online for about $8, $9. I think it's worth all that and more. For anyone who's new, this is a 1999 Mitsubishi Townbox, two-wheel drive, turbo, automatic, 55,000 miles, H4 LEDs, yellow fogs, new radio, new speakers, Apple CarPlay. Drives great, dual airbags. Overall, just a great van. And then we got the Midget. This is actually what I'm going to drive to the post office. Seeing how I kind of want this gone ASAP, I figured I need to get used to this being my daily along with the Blueberry Lemon. So this is how we're looking with a bunch of orders in a box. Let's drive to the post office. On Monday, I'll be receiving another box from Japan. That's going to have all the maintenance stuff for the Midget. It's going to have things for the Blueberry Lemon. It's going to have some parts for the Cappuccino as well. But let me go to the post office, drop this stuff off before they close. I really like this car, guys. I don't know if it's the selfishness in me, but the one-seater life is not that bad. I thought it would be really annoying, but it's really fun. Update. So I just made it home. Let me show you guys these stickers again. So this is soon to be on WayBeforeTheFame.com. Along with this, I also made magnets. That's these guys right here. But shout out to the homie again. I'll put his Facebook on the screen right now. So I bought a gas cap. You guys know I lost mine, sadly. I bought this finally for the dash. It comes with the wires and everything, but as you guys know, this is just to fill the hole, honestly. It's in good condition. Has a little scuff there that I wish it didn't. And then I got this for my dome light, which doesn't work. So I guess now I have a reason to connect that. And then we got an intake. This pod filter is kind of small, so maybe I use one of the other ones I have. This itself, all this honestly looks really small. But some good quality. Nice piping. I no longer would be using that pool plastic, so that's an upgrade in itself. And then this is a full engine and turbo gasket kit all in one. So we have the head gasket, valve cover gasket. I think this smaller bag has all the turbo parts. Do I need to change any of this? No. But for all the people who are saying this isn't my forever Kei, this is just preventative maintenance. I plan on driving this car all the way to Miami, California, Alaska. And I want to do these things first or after if I don't need to do them now, or maybe bring them along with me on the road. So I just figured, since I'm already ordering some stuff from Malaysia, I'm already getting a lot of stuff from my Mira, I'll just keep this on ice along with the brand new intake manifold. Don't forget, I still have that. But I think what I'm going to do next is head to the tire shop. Let's get the tires on the black rims, and I believe after that we're going to link up with Mendy, and then I'll show you guys more of that really cool cappuccino. Los cuatro, nada más los dos.
Válvulas, solo los dos, los otros dos no están aquí.
Okay. He said that 2 of my valves were leaking, so they changed 2 of them. But these are gonna look sick on the Midget. Just gotta clean them up a little bit. So we just got to Teggy's. There's actually a nice handful of JDMs. We got 2 Kei vans, Sylvia, Townbox, Delica, Cappuccino. Let's check out this Delica first. Classic L300. Roof rack, awning. Nice rims and tires. This one is actually stick shift and 4-wheel drive, which is cool. Still need to get this for my Mira walkthrough. Fog lights. That's nice. And then look at the height difference. You wouldn't believe how tall the Townbox really is. Everyone who sees this car is like, damn, this is actually a Kei van. And I like it a lot. And then somebody was actually messaging me on Patreon about how was it getting in and out. And if you guys remember, I was talking about the Suzuki. I like the way it's positioned. So if you have a Kei van or a Kei truck, most of the time you kind of have to just like hop over. I don't think I can show you guys on this. Well, I can show you on the Acti actually. But I like the way that there's a step and you're able to kind of glide into your seat. Next we got a clean 240. Mismatched wheels, I like that. Then we got Teggy's van. Teggy's friend's van. It's locked. I'm gonna get the keys though and I'll show you guys what I mean. So here's how a lot of the older vans and trucks are styled. So you see how there's no place to kind of slide in the seat. You have to go like that to get in. Hopefully this is making sense. But on the newer ones, you see, like there's nowhere to kind of slide. Like look at my legs. I have to put my leg a lot up to get in here and then throw myself in the seat. In comparison to the Townbox, let me show you. This is how the Townbox is set up. So you see how the seat is just a lot further back. Not only that, but I have a step. So technically I can get in like this. I don't have to fully extend my leg. But even just all this in general just makes it a lot easier for me to extend my entire leg and then sit down. I'm not jumping myself into the car. I'm easily just gliding into the seat. Here's a look at Mendys Cappuccino.
You know what sucks about this? You can put this on the video. Look at the hood and look at the fender right there. It's almost like they started to do the midnight purple, but then they stopped. So here, you could get a better representation of it right now.
Are you trying?
Also a very hard color to spray.
Yeah. You see how perfect that one looks in this, in the bumper? And then look at the rest of the car. But it's weird because if you look at the top, you can kind of see it too.
It's not bad.
No, this one looks really nice right
No,
here.
that's what I'm saying, right? Like this is potentially what it would look like if you did like a full correction. Right here,
Yeah.
what we're seeing is what it would come out.
Can I see that?
It's something.
Yeah, look how bad that looks compared to this. And that's just like, that looks really good already. Yeah. Maybe it does. I don't know. And then look what he really did. You can see the difference between this and this. Oh yeah, like night and day. That's nuts. And that's still not even fully done.
At least when you start like working for it, you got there. But work for it the first time like 2 years ago, you got to
Monster Sport Cappuccino for sale if anyone's wondering. We're gonna do a lot of content on this if it's not sold already. but this thing is a rocket. Here's the final result. You put that?
No, there's the stop.
Look how like wide they are. Oh no, they look wide because of this. They got heat. Buff the headlights. So the back is shiny. So to all your subscribers that were like, oh, buff the lights, buff the lights. Sorry I didn't bring a buffing thing to the port. I'll probably come to Peggy to check that out. You have a bad pop. That's it.
You guys remember, this is essentially Mr. Rusty, just not rusty. I stole the seats from this and put it on my red cap. I took all this and put it on my red cap. All the wood grain, all the panels, honestly. So this is just a complete better version of Mr. Rusty, and it's still limited too, which means it has an LSD, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this thing is nice. The goal was to make some content on it, but unfortunately, pretty dark. What up? So it's the next day and I'm just gonna end this video here, but I want to say one last thing. So for my tail lights, I was speaking to Savi, Dad Bod Garage, and the issue with the replacement is I need to find one that screws in from the outside. I know some people told me some Land Rover lights and things like that, but there is no access to the tail light from here. So I can't access or see it or do anything. It would need to screw in kind of similar to this one. So if anyone wants to help me out, I need something similar to that where I can close it from the outside. I'm going to drive over there tomorrow. We're going to work on this, and then I'm still waiting on parts for the Midget. So in the next video, you'll see me finally get this wrapped. We'll put the intake that I bought, the gas cap, the little plastic piece that goes there. I finally won't have a hole over there as well. And then I think we're also going to work on Project Acti. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's pray that the Miami Dolphins win today. I'm posting this on Sunday. I'm recording this Sunday morning. And the Dolphins are having a terrible season. My goal was to drive this to Miami at some point and use it to tailgate and also watch the Dolphins game. But if they're going to be 2-7 and every game is meaningless, I'd rather just drive somewhere else, save my money. But thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Road to 40K. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.